फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके।
By adopting eco-friendly practices in our daily life, educate others about the importance of forests and trees in sustaining life on earth. Support conservation efforts and participate in activities that promote our forests and wildlife. Refrain from activities that harm the environment and advocate for policies that promote sustainability. By taking this pledge, we commit to being stewards of Earth, working towards a greener, healthier and more sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you.
मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे।
I am going to tell about benefits. Roses are loaded with vitamins and minerals that support your immune system. Rose is mainly used in commercial and medicinal purpose. Thank you. My name is Anika. I am going to tell about rose. It treats skin diseases and stress due to its medicinal properties like cleansing, antibacterial. Rose is mostly popular for its good scent. This is because rose flower
हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे। हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा।
पेड़ संस्कृति, पेड़ है जीवन की आधार। पेड़ की रक्षा स्वयं की रक्षा, आओ पेड़ से करें। To speak about the areca palm. The areca palm is a plant that flourishes richly in the warm and humid regions of India. It is scientifically known as Areca cacio. It's also referred to as golden cane palm as its stems are slender golden yellow. This plant is not just respected for its beautiful appearance but also for the valuable nutted beers. Areas of Andhra Pradesh, farmers play crucial roles cultivating, ensuring how they receive sufficient water and sunlight to grow healthy and tall. In rural areas, areca palms are common in sights. Farmers and even along roadsides are graceful presents enhancing to natural landscape. Significance of areca palm. In the Indian culture, the areca palm holds a revered place in traditions and ceremonies. It is often exchanged as a token of goodwill and respect during weddings, festivals, symbolizing prosperity and auspicious beginnings. The practice of chewing the areca palm leaves are known for their durability and flexibility. They are used for decoration and auspicious rituals. The practice of chewing areca nut with betel leaves is deeply rooted in social custom and hospitality. It is a gesture of welcoming guests and accessibility. Having medicinal plants available means you have a convenient way of natural source of remedies at hand. Environmental impact. Growing medicinal plants contributes to performing by improving the air quality and performing biodiversity. Going to say about few benefits of
Tanvi, and today I am going to explain you about peppermint. Scientific name of peppermint is Mentha piperita. Benefits: relieves digestive issues and alleviates headaches, has antimicrobial properties and improves respiratory.
About a plant. The common name of this plant is neem. The scientific name of this plant is Azadirachta indica, and the benefits of this plant is neem has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory.
Today, we the students of NKC Club will be planting Areca palm in our school campus. The Areca palm, commonly known as the hazelnut palm, is native to Southeast Asia, including Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia.
Pomegranate tree. The common name is pomegranate plant. The botanical name is Punica granatum. It belongs to the family Lythraceae. Here are some fascinating attributes about the pomegranate tree. Height. The pomegranate tree can grow from 16 to 33 feet tall. Life expectancy. Pomegranate trees can live up to 200 years. Fruit is a berry with seeds and pulp made from the ovaries of a single flower. It is intermediate in size between a lemon and a grapefruit.
Bougainvillea fulvum. It is a scientific name for the tree known as butterfly tree. The leaves of this tree are simple, roundish, broad as long, divided into two obtuse lobes. Base is corded. The flowers of this tree are conspicuous, pink, and fragrant with 5 used for treating boils, ulcers, swelling, bruises. Various parts of this plant are also used in precaution for fever and stomach ailments.
The Indian cock tree, scientifically known as Millingtonia hortensis, is a fascinating tree with several noteworthy aspects. It is also called tree jasmine or Akshni. It is a tall, deciduous tree native to South Asia, including Myanmar, India, and Thailand, reaching up to 25 meters in height.
Here are some uses of Indian cock tree. Lightweight wood used for making matchsticks, small boxes, and wooden articles. Provide shade and contributes to urban greenery. Leaves and flowers contribute to soil nutrition. Potential in use for agroforestry systems. Has religious and cultural significance in some cultures.
Spinacly compound leaves and bunches of small white flowers. This tree can produce wood which is durable and resistant to rot and insects.
Scientific name Boadicea butterfly. Native to Australia. Known for the distinctive cheese that resembles a fox's tail. Can grow up to 30 feet tall with a spread of 15 feet.
Can tolerate the tropical region for soil conditions. Popular ornamental value in tropical and subtropical regions.
Ficus religiosa, sacred fig, is a species of fig native to the Indian subcontinent and Indochina that belongs to the Monasaceae.
The silver trumpet tree, scientifically known as Taberoia aurea, is a species of flowering tree. It is commonly referred to as silver taberoia, yellow taberoia, or yellow trumpet tree.
Canopy is usually broad and spreading, creating a lovely shade beneath the tree.
The tree's leaves are compound.
One of the most distinctive features of the silver trumpet tree is its trumpet-shaped flowers.
Roystonricea, commonly known as royal palm, Cuban royal palm, or Florida royal palm, a large attractive palm which is native to Mexico, Caribbean, Florida, and parts of Central America. It is grown throughout the tropics and subtropics as an ornamental tree. Widely grown as an ornamental tree, the scientific name of the sago palm is the Cypress saveluta. Sago palm is a tropical plant which is grown in Southeast Asia and Oceania. It is able to survive in the swampy peat environment.
Angoon creeper, its scientific name, Covertum indica. It is a robust, fast-growing vine known for its fragrant flowers and adaptability to various growing conditions. It requires full sun to partial shade for optimum blooming and consistent watering while establishing roots. Rangoon creeper, or Covertum indicum, is widely cultivated as an ornamental. It is often planted in hedges or allowed to grow over a support.
The scientific or botanical name is Mangifera indica. Mango trees can grow up to 30 to 40 meters with a radius of 10 to 15 meters.
The skin of the mango is leather-like, waxy, smooth, and fragrant, with colors ranging from green to yellow, yellow-red, yellow-orange, or blushed with various shades of red, purple, pink.
Ficus are from subtropical and tropical area and are one of the most popular trees for indoor bonsai. Ficus retusa, also known as a common fig and Chinese banyan, grown naturally in Southwest Asia.
Ficus retusa is a rapidly growing, rounded, broad-headed evergreen shrub or tree that can reach 10 meters 32 feet in height.
Oyster plant, also known as Terescanthia spicacea, have long, sword-shaped leaves that are purple on the bottom and green on the top. They grow as clouds forming perennial. Small white flowers are produced in the summer, but they are not particularly showy.
They need high humidity levels but can also adapt low humidity levels. They are propagated by dividing or by stem cutting. They are usually used for cover plants, border plants, and also as indoor decorative plants.
Erythroxylum decidum is a species of plants in the family Erythroxylaceae. Erythroxylum decidum is native to South America, particularly found in Brazil, Bolivia, and Argentina.
Benefits of this plant include anti-inflammatory, used to reduce inflammation and treat pain.
Nothing evokes the tropical feelings such like the flower plumeria. Most familiar in their white and yellow form, it comes in loads of tropical and sunset colors. Frangipani, also known as plumeria, is a species of the family Apocynaceae. Most species are deciduous shrubs or small trees. Frangipani is an easy to grow tree and can be easily maintained.
Its scientific name is Artocarpus heterophyllus. It is an evergreen tree with a short trunk and a dense stalk. One jackfruit tree can produce up to 3 tons of fruit per year. It is widely cultivated in tropical regions. It is well suited for tropical lowlands. It includes India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, rainforest of Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia.
Date palms are plants that belong to Anidius family and have over 200 species of them.
This tree produces date fruits which helps us in prevention of heart disease and improves our immune system. The oil palm leaves can also contribute to regulate blood sugar. This date fruits also contains calcium and phosphorus. It is also a source of vitamin C. This date seeds helps us in reducing our blood pressure.
Highly nutritious. Date palms are packed with nutrition inside them.
Scientifically known as Talmonia elliptica. The Vigrous woody vine native Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent features lush and trailing vines and delicate star-shaped flowers, adding natural beauty to any setting. It belongs to the Oleaceae family along with jasmine and olive trees and is categorized by long trailing stems with green glossy oval-shaped leaves.
Acacia heterophyllae is native in Norfolk Island. In the native habitat, the plants grow on cliffs for about 200 feet tall, and the Norfolk tree pines grow about 8 to 5 meters in 10 years. These trees are mostly grown in parts of Pakistan, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. These trees are mostly found in South Florida.
The neem tree has a rich history with mentions of its ancient Indian texts like the Vedas, the Mahabharata, and Charaka Samhita.
The common jasmine is scientifically known as Jasminum officinae. It is an evergreen climber which has dark green leaves and star-shaped flowers.
Jasmine is ornamentally used in gardens, landscapes, and floral arrangements. Traditional use of jasmines in Hindu and Buddhist cultures for events, weddings, and festivals. Jasmine is a symbol of love, fragrance, and sensuality. Attributes of Annona crassiflora, also known as mountain soursop, due to its slightly acidic taste when ripe. And these fruits are usually large, oval, and round in shape. These are covered with small protuberances around it. This tree gives out flowers which are greenish yellow and fragrant.
The Eraticum fruit is edible and it is mainly appreciated for its sweet and somewhat tangy flavor. It is used in the preparation of jams, juices, and ice creams. It helps to prevent from inflammation and various pains associated with snake bites, wounds, and microbial infection.
Dracena trifasciata is a flowering plant in the family Asparagaceae, native to tropical West Africa from Nigeria east to the Congo. It is most commonly known as snake plant.
How to take care of this plant? We must ensure that the soil is well drained and it is properly watered. In between the seasons of spring and autumn, we need to allow it to dry between watering.
Benefits of the plant. The plant is used to treat ringworm and fungal diseases.
Propagation of this plant. Now, propagation of snake plant is done through leaf cutting. It has two methods. One is done with soil and one is done with water. Now, both the methods require several leaf cuttings.
Candelabra aloe, also known as Aloe arborescens, is a succulent plant that has some unique and variety features. Here are some key points about Candelabra aloe. First is its appearance. Candelabra aloe's appearance is striking and has multi-stem just like Candelabra. Its leaves are grey-green and are triangular in shape with toothed edges.
Medicinal properties. Like other aloe species, Candelabra aloe also has medical properties. The gel inside the leaves can be used to soothe skin irritation and burns. Overall, Candelabra aloe is a very beautiful and low maintenance plant which can add very good exotic beauty touch to your garden.
The lotus plant, botanically known as Nelumbo nucifera, is a fascinating aquatic flower with rich cultural and symbolic significance. The lotus plants thrive in subtropical and temperate regions. They require water up to 7 feet. Another speciality of lotus is that their leaves float on the water while the flowers rise high above the water. In India and Southeast Asia, lotuses often bloom in the monsoon seasons, which spans from June to September. In Buddhism, the lotus flowers represent spiritual awakening, purity, and faithfulness. In Christianity, lotus flowers symbolize the spirituality and creation of the universe. It also has a significance in the Bhagavad Gita. Lotus is the national flower of India, reflecting its importance in Indian culture, history, and religion.